Hello and welcome back to Kausar Technologies. In today's session, we will design the edition form. In our previous video, we connected Java application to MySQL database. As you can see, we created JDBC connection class. Inside that class, we defined two methods, getDatabaseConnection and cleanup_resource. The getDatabaseConnection method is responsible to connect Java application with MySQL database. And the cleanup_resource method is responsible to clean up the resource, like connection, statement, and result set. Great. Everything is working fine. And now we will start project implementation step by step. Now we will move to the next step. In the next step, we will implement library management system based on the database requirements. Good. Here we want to add another package to manage all the forms. We want to create new package, for example, forms. After that, inside that package, we want to create edition form. Simple select JPanel form. Okay, the JPanel form is created. Now we want to resize that. Okay, in the first video, we mentioned that in this project, we will use custom controls. You can also use Java Swing NetBeans controls. If you want to use Java Swing NetBeans controls, you can simply drag and drop from here. But we want to use Java custom controls. Here we have package custom controls. Inside that, we have several controls like button, checkbox, combo box, text box, and custom title. Okay, let's drag and drop custom title. And here we want to right click on that, go to properties. After that, we want to change the text. For example, manage edition. And we want to change the text color as well. Simple select that and then paste it here. Now we want to add font size. Simple go to properties and then we want to find font. After that, we want to select 18. Yes, the font is added. After that, we want to drag and drop custom text box. Okay, we want to remove the text. And then we want to drag and drop a label. Okay, sorry. And here we want to add, for example, edition ID. We want to set font size 14. And we want to add font size to text box as well. 14. And then we want to change variable name, for example, TXTID. After that, we want to copy the same text box. And here we want to write edition name. Okay, good. After that, we want to copy another text box for description and drag and drop here. And here we will set text, for example, description. We want to change the variable name as well, txt name and txt description. Good. You have to design the edition form according to the table requirements. My table has ID, name, and description properties. Anyway, after that, we want to drag and drop a custom button. And we want to change the text to save. The form is designed. Thereafter, we want to open the form. To open the form, here we have app layout forms. Inside that, we have application frame. And here we have container. We want to open the edition form inside that container. To open the form inside that container, in the code section, we have a method. As you can see, here we have showPanel method and getInstance method. These two methods are responsible to open JFrame or JPanel form inside a container. Okay, thereafter we have right sidebar. Let's open that. Inside that we have different options like manage edition, volume, publisher, category, row, column, faculty, and department. For now we have to open the edition form. Here we want to right click on that and then we want to go to click event. Okay. Here we call the show panel method simple application frame dot get instance dot show panel, and here we will pass the edition frame simple new edition frame. Okay, now we want to run our application and then we want to open the edition form. As you can see, the edition form is opened. As you can see, we have a small problem. To fix that problem, we want to go to the design mode. And here, we want to right click on that and then resize horizontal, and here also horizontal, and here also. Okay, now let's run our project once again. So good. As you can see, the problem is fixed. In our next video session, we want to implement save functionality. Thanks. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next one.